Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Yellow color, red color, pink color, blue color, purple color, orange color, black color, blue color, sky blue color, light pink color, dark green color, pink color, light brown color, light green color. Let's draw the shape. Heptagon. Trefoil. Heart. Triangle. Diamond. Arrow. Green color. Heptagon. 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 Green color. Purple color. Trefoil. 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 Purple color. Orange color. Heart. 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 Orange color. Yellow color. Triangle. Triangle. Yellow color. Blue color. Diamond. Diamond. Sky blue color. Pink color. Arrow. Arrow. arrow, pink color, green color, purple color, orange color, yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, heptagon, trefoil, heart, triangle, diamond, arrow. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.